Tired of copying and pasting your lead ads onto Google Sheets? Let me show you how to do it automatically using Zapier. In order to get started with this workflow, I need to create a Zap. In Zapier, a Zap is a simple way to connect different apps and make them work together automatically. I can create my Zap by typing into the search bar, Facebook lead ads to Google Sheets on the main page. Then I'll click Try It to get started. The trigger screen will then pop up. Our trigger is an event that starts any Zap. The first time we set up Facebook lead ads, we'll need to connect it with Zapier. A link will pop up for you to log into your Facebook account. And don't worry, Zapier will only perform the actions you tell it to in a given Zap. We'll then need to fill out our trigger app's data. Select the page and form you'd like to use for your Zap and then click Continue. In order to finish setting up the trigger, we'll need to pull in some example data. To do that, click Test Trigger. Testing our steps ensures that the data we entered is working. You're all set with the first step. Click Continue with Selected Record and we can start creating our action. In Zapier, an action is a task that happens automatically after our trigger is set off. Your event should already be chosen, so you can click Continue and then log into your Google account just like you did with your Facebook account. From there, we can start to assign our trigger apps data into the Action Apps fields. I can select from the drop-down menu or add my own text to customize my Zap even further. Once that's complete, I'll test the step. Let's check our Google Sheets account to make sure this worked. Yep, there it is. This is ready to turn on. Now, whenever a lead is sent over to our Facebook account, the data will automatically be uploaded onto our Google Sheets page. And if Google Sheets and Facebook isn't your thing, Zapier helps anyone connect apps and automate work. No coding required. You can sign up and start for free.